In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a hanging indent in Canva. A hanging indent is where the first line of a paragraph starts at the left margin, and every line after that is indented. It's commonly used for citations, bibliographies, and numbered references because it keeps the author's name or number easy to scan while the rest of the text is neatly tucked in. Start by opening your design in Canva and selecting the text box that contains the paragraph you want to format. If you're starting from scratch, add a text box and paste or type your paragraph first, so you can see how the lines wrap naturally. With your text selected, turn it into a list to unlock Canva's indent controls. Click the bulleted or numbered list button in the top toolbar. Now open the text formatting panel and look for the spacing or list options. You'll see controls for line spacing and, importantly, indentation. Increase the hanging indent so the subsequent lines move inward while the first line stays aligned to the left edge. If you see separate controls for first line and hanging indent, keep the first line indent at 0 and nudge the hanging indent until the wrap lines line up exactly where you want them. If a bullet or number appears and you don't want to show it, change its color to transparent or match it to your background so it effectively disappears, while the hanging indent stays in place. You can also switch to a numbered list if you're formatting references and want the numbers to remain visible outside the indented block. Fine-tune the look by adjusting line spacing so the paragraph feels balanced. For academic references, a line spacing of 1.5 or 2.0 is common, and keeping alignment set to left helps the hanging edge stay crisp. Make sure your text box is wide enough for your longest line. A narrow box can cause awkward wraps that make the indent look uneven. If you're working on a phone or tablet, the same controls are available under the Formatting or three-dot menu. Select your text, choose List, then adjust indentation and spacing from there. Once you have a hanging indent you like, reuse it quickly. Select the formatted text, click the Copy Style tool, and apply it to your other paragraphs to keep everything consistent. That's all there is to it. Convert the paragraph to a list, set the hanging indent, hide the bullet if needed, and fine-tune spacing. With these adjustments, your Canva text will look professional, readable, and perfectly aligned every time.